Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upscale images or in simpler words enhance their quality using AI. So first of all, open your browser, then go to Upscale, click enter and go to this one, Upscale AI Image Upscaler. Now click on the download button depending on what operating system you use. Once you have downloaded it, you will get an icon like this. Now open this up and install the Upscale application from this setup. Once the application has been installed, click on it. Here you will see 3 to 4 steps. The first step is to select an image. I'm going to select this one. It is of very bad quality and I want to enhance its quality. You can see it is like very bad quality. Now the second step is the type, that what type of photo will the upscaler make. You can try different styles, but I will stick to the general photo. Now this option is for double upscale, like it will enhance the quality twice, but it doesn't mean it will be of good quality and it works every time. Now, the third step is the set output folder where the enhanced quality images will be saved. Now, another important setting is go to settings, scroll down, and you will see three options. The enhanced images will be saved as either PNG, JPG, or WebP. I'm going to save them as PNG. Now, go back there, scroll down, and click on Upscale. Now, wait for some time. Now, once the upscaling is done, you can see the difference by swiping this cursor here and here. This is the old picture and this is the new picture. So the picture will be saved where you selected the output folder to be, and that's how you can use AI for upscaling images. Thanks for watching. Bye.